Hey guys, today I'm going to make some special summer drinks for today. It's going to be lemon iced tea. So I'm starting with 2 cups of boiling water that I heat up on high heat. And then what I'm going to do with that, I'm going to steep in 5 tea bags that are brand name Lipton, 100% natural American's favorite tea. So I'm going to put 1, 2, and then I'm gonna use 5. So that's 5 Lipton black tea bags, 100% American favorite tea. So I'm going to steep it into the boiling water. Has been slightly hot, and then you're going to let this to brew for 2 to 5 minutes. So after it's steeped for 2 to 5 minutes, and then I'm going to remove the tea bag has been, steep it over here. If there's excess liquid, you can go ahead and squeeze it with the back of a spoon. Now for this steep tea that I brewed over for 2 to 5 minutes, after that I'm going to put 1 cup of granulated sugar, and then I'm going to use the wooden spoon or a whisk. We're going to stir this until the sugar is dissolved into the hot tea. Okay, once the sugar has been dissolved into the hot tea, and then we're going to pour it into the pitcher. Pour it in here, and I'm going to put 2 whole lemons has been thinly sliced, and I removed the seeds. Just push it down the lemon into the dissolved sugar with the tea, and we're going to soak it in so the tea will give it extra flavor with the lemon. So once after the lemon just soak into the hot tea, and then we're going to pour 4 cups of remaining water. Gonna stir it in. Again, I'm gonna using the wooden spoon. Okay, we're almost done. Okay, so I'm going to pour yourself into the glass. So with some ice. So I decided to garnish with a wedge of sliced lemons. And here's the finished lemon iced tea. Enjoy!